Hi, this is INFINX Hot 30 and I'll show you how to remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, we should hold for a while empty space on our home screen, then you'll see here the widgets icon, tap on it, and here you'll see all of the available applications which widgets you could add. For example, let's add the calendar widget, just tap Add to Desktop. Now we could see that the widget added successfully to our home screen. If you want to move widget on the screen on between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. To resize the widget, you should hold it for a while, tap to resize, and after that you could make it bigger or smaller. And to remove it from the home screen, hold it and tap to remove icon. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.